Dental Bright Group was founded by Ph.D. Ken of Chemical Material in 2008, which is a leading enterprise in the oral medical industry, integrating R&D, production, and sales. The group has won many honors such as High-Tech Enterprise, Specialized, Refined, and Innovation New Enterprise in Jiangxi Province. Dental Bright Group are also the sole company in the industry that has obtained ISO 13485, ISO 22716, US GMP, US BSCI, and Domestic Medical Device System certification. Dental Bright Group has a 1,000 square meter R&D center, an R&D team of 11 staffs, a microbiological testing laboratory, whitening efficacy tester, and other testing equipment. We have a long-term industry-university research cooperation with Nanchang University, which provides them with technical support on quick development and customization of new products. Scientific and technological achievements have been transformed into core competitiveness, allowing the group to stand at the top of the industry. The main products include teeth whitening kit, teeth whitening strips, teeth whitening powder, teeth whitening gel, dental silicone impression material, toothpaste, electric toothbrush, and other series of products. It is worth mentioning that teeth whitening light and teeth whitening gel have passed clinical trials in tertiary hospitals and obtained the Class II medical device registration certificate in China. Dental silicone impression material has acquired the US FDA 510K and European Medical Device CE certification. The products have all obtained the US FDA, European CE, Halal certificate, Vegan certificate, WEEE, RoHS, REACH, CPSR, and other test reports. They are exported to 91 countries and regions at home and abroad, and we have won high praise from the market. The group has grown into a benchmark company in the field of teeth whitening, and the Glorysmile brand has been recognized and accepted by customers both domestically and internationally. We won't forget original intentions, trying our best to provide customers with high quality, fast delivery, and cost-effective products.
Dental Group will continue to provide best quality and service.
Dental Bright Group makes people all over the world smile brightly.